Hey again, did we talk in this video about if else, if else, if else? So think about you want to catch the zero condition here for the positive and negative. You will say here if you think that you say if integer for number equal zero, then print whatever print number is not a sign. Okay, doesn't have sign. Make sure this one here. But what's going to happen here if I just add the breakpoint here and try to debug it? So if I enter now 10 which is positive, so he will come here, he will check if it's 10 greater than 0. Yes, he will run number is positive, that's right. Now is the 10 equal 0? No, he will go to the else, because as we said, else will be the opposite case for the first if. So first if for else will be then else the negative for. So you see he do negative for this one. He did not care about all these conditions. He care about last if statement. So and the output will be if you just go down, he say number is negative, positive number is negative, but 10 is not negative, 10 is positive. So how you solve it? Think about it. I don't want to make my if statement negotiate negative the fire or to be the opposite for the first if. I need to be the opposite to the whole statement. Just do ElseIF. ElseIF mean else if. What we mean by else if mean, hey, if the condition is true, do this one. Else, if the condition be true, do this. Else, come here. So this means in this case you will solve this situation. This else will not do negative for the first if. He will do negative, or he will be the opposite for the complete if else statement. So now if I just rerun it again, make sure everything is cool, I enter 10, he will tell me 10 is positive. If I just rerun it again, if I enter 0, he say 0 is not a sign. If I enter -5, he will give me the correct. Why? I will tell you why. Because if I just do debug and I enter 10, he will came to the first condition. Is 10 greater than 0? Yes. If it is yes, he will not run any else. He will just go to the next. To make it clear for you, just do here print app is done, just to show you how this point will be reached. You just rerun it again or redebug it and you enter 10. There you go. Is 10 greater than 0? Yes. He will run this condition, then he will go to the end. He will not pass through any other steps because, hey, I find the condition, why I have to go to else? Why I have to go else? My condition is here. So this is the idea of if else, if else, if else. So yeah, this is what I want to show you. Now if you want to enter now another one, run. If I just say 0, he will go. I just did run. Let me do the debugging. If I enter now 0, what's going to happen? If it's 0 greater than 0, no, he will go to the second condition. Is 0 equal 0? Yes, he will run this one. He will not complete comparing other conditions. He just directly go to the end. And this is one of most important benefits of if else, if else, if else, if else. So he easily could catch the case for you. When it catch it, he will not go to run other cases. So if you see in this case that we did, he just try to check here. If he did not find it, he check here, he find it, he will not run the other condition, which is good to save time when execution. So I want to give you another example about if else, so to make the code clear for you. So I will say condition if or if whatever. Okay. So now we think about someone enter his degree. So and we tell him which level he is, in level A or B or C or D. So to do that, I will say, hey, someone enter his degree. Okay. I ask him to enter your degree. Okay. He asked him to enter his degree. So now how I make sure the degree is A. The degree will be A if the grade greater than 19 or greater than or equal. I say, hey, if integer, not in this way, integer for degree greater than or equal 19, so I have to print your score is A. Is that right? Yes. Now let me go and give another condition. So did you do if another if? Let me do ElseIF and you will see what the difference between these. I want to catch B. B have to be between 18 to 19. So first of all, I have to have a degree. It should be greater than or equal 18. Well, this case will catch anything 18 and 19. I want to catch between 18 and 19, so I have to add and integer for degree less than the 19. So here he will catch the degree less than 19. So here I say print your score is B. So do you know what this condition do? I will tell you. When I say if the degree greater than 18, so I will catch, if I just show you the draw, I will catch in this, by using this one, I will catch any number greater than 18. But now I have too many numbers greater than 18, even 100 is greater than 18. I want to make sure also the number have to be less than 19. So I say, hey, less than 19, so I will catch only these numbers. So ANDing statement between two conditions for level B. Let me continue for C and D. C, D, whatever. This for fail. So I would say if it is C, should be greater than 17 and less than 18. Should be score C. And greater than 16 and less than 17 should be D. And otherwise he should be fail. Let me think about it in this way. Else print you fail, and let me write in the end I print app is done, just to make you understand what we are doing. So now let me think about some condition. Let me just add a breakpoint and try to run it. If I entered degree, enter your degree. Let me say I have 75. Okay, enter. It will just show me the result, your C. But I want to debug it. I will enter 75 now. There you go. So the input is 75. Is 75 greater than 19? No, he will not run that code. He will go here. Is 75 greater than 18 and less than 19? No, he will go this one. Is 75 greater than 17? Yes. Is it less than 18? Yes. So two true and true on ANDing should be true. So he have to run this block. Then he will not run any other cases else because he find it. So he will go to the end. This is the idea of if else, if else, if else. You could do it in this way and your solution is still correct, but you are costing money. But in this case, this one you have to update it. So you could get, you say, hey, less than 16. If integer for a grade less than 16, you still get same result. But I will tell you the process, how much it's complex. So now if I just rerun it, even if I get same result, when I enter 75, he check if it's 75 greater than 19. No. Is it between 18 and 17? 18 and 19? No. Is it 17 and 18? Yes. Before he was jumping all other steps and he was going to the end, but now he will not jump. He will continue compare because there is no if else, which is this is unnecessary process. He do it. If you see, he did check for two steps that we don't need to do because I already find the solution here. Why I have to compare or check here? The unnecessary process. You will cost me the process to do unnecessary operation. For that reason, they invest something named if else. So yes, this is basically how if else statement work and how you could handle specific cases in it. Hopefully you understand well, and hopefully everything was clear for you. One final thing I want just to tell you in next video, not now. See you next.